DNA stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings, this is, I mean, it's still in a bearish range. I mean, I'm not going to say this is like the worst thing ever, but it's still not the best neither. Just took the lows just recently, which is not the best thing. But yeah, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space with 39,000, and all the proof has been documented. Like all the videos, been following my journey like no one else. In this instance, only if I see like a full candle close above 780 or something am I actually going to look to take it up. Other than that, it's all noise. When I say noise, I'm really not looking to take things higher or lower. So yeah, if I see this, yeah, maybe then I'm looking to take it down. But randomly selling is just never going to be the way. This might even be a buy, who knows, but randomly buying is not smart. Well, how do I know this? Maybe because I've done 39,000 videos. That's my 2 cents. It's not financial advice. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.